Hey guys, hope you had an amazing week. Today we are going to cook a Manipuri style nol dish which is called Kobi Marukabi Thongba. The nol is beautifully spiced and flavorful while the fish uplifts the entire dish. But before we proceed, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification and never miss an update. Now let's check out the ingredients. Chopped nol, potatoes, onion, tomato, chives, freshly chopped coriander leaves, bay leaf, pepper powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, asafoetida, chili powder, coriander seeds, turmeric powder, salt, fenugreek seeds, ginger and garlic, fish, and oil. Now let's start cooking. Heat oil in a pan. Once hot, add your bay leaf, onions and chives. Stir and cook them until the onions turn golden on a medium flame. Now add your ginger garlic, cumin powder, asafoetida, turmeric powder, chili powder, coriander powder, cumin seeds, fenugreek seeds, salt and pepper powder. Stir all these spices well and cook them until the oil just begins to separate. We will now add our chopped tomatoes and cook them until they turn slightly pulpy. Add your chopped nol and potatoes. Stir them together and keep open cooking it for 5 minutes. Add about 2 cups of water, stir, cover and cook it for 30 minutes, occasionally stirring in between. Once the nol is cooked, add your shredded fried fish and cook it for a couple of minutes. Finally, garnish it with the freshly chopped coriander leaves and give it a quick stir, and here you go, our dish is ready. The gravy is super delicious and healthy. The nol is tender and juicy, while the fish has added a beautiful texture to an otherwise vegetarian dish. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Do give it a big thumbs up, and now it's time for me to dig in. And this, my friend, will go really well with some steamed rice or Indian bread. And see you next week.